Hey, so I just messed up. I had to redo this video over again because I shot it in vertical mode and I know how much the YouTube community hates that. So today, bought the Naos 7000 from the Microsoft store for 55 Canadian, which is a good deal. Little did I know was it may have come with a shitty defect. Or so I think. I'm hoping it's not. Or maybe it is. I don't know. So, what I need your help is to find out if the sound on this left and right click are supposed to be like this. And I'll show you what I mean. Um, right click, you're gonna hear in a second. It's gonna sound really nice and crisp. And yeah, so oops. All right, so not bad, right? That's pretty good. Now I'll do the left click just so you can hear. Now that's me clicking on the very edge, like just where I'm supposed to be clicking. And I get a different sound when I click up here, which is what I feel like it's supposed to come closer to emulate this sound here. But I get a feeling that the switch underneath is it's bouncing back and hitting this the plastic. Yeah, I don't like that. It's making like a hollow noise underneath it, and it doesn't feel good when I press down. It feels like it bottoms out a little bit quicker than it should, but that could just be me. So yeah, just leave a comment below. Tell me if you had the same issue with just Mionix in general. This particular mouse. I've also posted a post on Reddit, also asking the same question, and hopefully we find out if this is just a shitty left click or not, or maybe if the product's just designed like that. Um, yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching.